see page number 137 of your test book. What is written? Practice time. Chapter number 12. How heavy, how light. The question is here. Which pan of the balance will go down? Show by drawing an arrow. You can see here 6 balances are given and you have to find out that which pan will go down. So what we have to do, we have to compare both the pan, and the pan which is heavier, that will go down, that one we have to show by the arrow. So for that two weights are given, so we have to add. So after adding 25 and 40, our answer is 65. So I am writing here 65 gram. Okay, both side gram is given, so I will write here gram. Okay, and here 40 plus 35, so 75 gram. Now compare which one will go down. This pan will go down or this pan will go down. So this pan will go down. So arrow here in this way. Okay. Second one, 75 grams plus 75 grams, that is 150 gram. And here it is 140 grams. So which one is heavier? 150 is more than the 140. So this pan will go downside. Then second one, third one, 105 gram plus 200 grams. So after adding that, we got 305 grams, and here 150 grams plus 250 grams. So here what will you get? You will get 400 grams. Okay. So which one is heavier? 305 is heavier or 400? So 400 gram is heavier. Okay. Here 55 grams plus 445 grams plus 700 grams. So after adding all these three, I have got as 1000 gram. Okay. And here 600 grams and 254 grams is equal to 854 grams. So here 1000 grams and here 854 grams. So this one will go down. This pan will go down. Next, 20 grams plus 196 grams. So after adding this, we have got as a 216 grams, and here only one stone is here, or one weight is here. So I will write here as it is 195 grams. So which one is heavier? So 216 is heavier. Here 36 grams and 75 grams. So 36 grams and 75 grams, so 111 grams. And here what will come? 163 grams. Okay. So which one will go down? 163 gram will go down. So this is the exercise. Now downside is written. See page number 137 of your test book. Is the weight of any of the pan is equal to 1 kilogram, and mark it. How many grams grams are there in 1 kg? So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, this one you have to write in the test book. What is written here? Is the weight of any of the pans equal to 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram means how many? 1 kilogram means 1000 grams. So let's find out. Any pan is there which having the weight 1000 grams? So here we have the pan having the weight that is 1000 gram, and 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. As you know what they say, just put tick. So I just put tick here. Okay, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg gram. So this is about 137 of your test book. Now see page number 139 of your test book. What is written? Cars and tractors. What the girl said? She said, if I put 2 cars, will the tractor still be heavier? This one we will see after. Let's see the first one. What is written here? The question is given. The same question I have copied down here from the test book. Ritu is waving her toy. The girl name is Ritu. What she is doing? Waving her toy. Waving means वो उसके toy का वजन कर रही है. She wants to know if her tractor is heavier than her car. She wants to know what is heavier. A tractor is heavier or the car is heavier. She that's want to know. Then how would you help her to find out quickly? आप उसको कैसे help कर सकते हो? So let's find out what can we do. What can we do in the one balance, in the pan of the one balance, she can put one tractor, and in the another balance, in the pan of the another balance, one car. So after weighing, and we have to weigh, means she will weigh. So after weighing, you come to know what is heavier. So here it shows in the page only, means in the textbook only shows that the pan having the tractor goes down, and the pan having the car that goes up. So what is heavier? So the tractor is heavier than the car. What is written? In a balance, it is B-A-L-A-N-C-E, balance. Place car in one pan and tractor in the another pan. Here we have done. Pan containing tractors goes down. I have shown in the form of the arrow. So the tractor is heavier than the car. So here we show to the Ritu that what is heavier, which toy is heavier? Tractor is heavier than the car. Then second one, if she puts two cars, will the tractor still be heavier? Instead of the one car, if she put here two cars together, so then also the weight of the tractor will goes down. So no. What will be right? No. If she put two cars in one pan, their total weight will goes more than the tractor. As I said कि अगर दो cars रखेगी तो इसका weight ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Then what happen? The tractor pan will goes up and this vehicle comes down, because here two cars are there. So we have to measure the two cars weight, which is more than the tractor. Then next, guess which is the heaviest, a real car or a bus or a tractor? क्या heavy हो सकता है? So a bus is really heaviest. Tractor, real car will not do. Tractor also not do, but bus is the bigger one, so it is more heavier than the all both things. Last question, which is the heaviest thing you have seen? आपने आपके पूरे life में कौन सी heaviest thing देखी है? So I have seen the plane. So I have written the heaviest thing I have seen is a plane. If you have seen the steamer, you can write steamer. If you have seen the cruise, then you can write cruise also. It depends on you. Okay. So this is about the page number 139. I hope you understand today's session. Now we will meet in our next session. Till that, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you everyone.